It's so fine. This hair is screaming, lose me, I want to go down, but no. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Jennifer. If you're my international subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. I did not even intend to film today, to be honest, but I want to wash plates with my hands and I'm so excited. I just say I should vlog because since I came here I have not washed plates with my hands. We have dishwasher, so what normally happens is every day as we eat, like starting from morning, we finish eating and put all the plates inside the dishwasher. So during the night, like when my mother wants to go to bed, she will just on the dishwasher and the thing will start washing. In the morning, if I wake up from sleep, I will arrange the plate before I start doing all that thing. But I came this morning and I said, let me arrange the plate. The plate was not washed, so my mother did not on the dishwasher. I don't know, maybe she forgot. Because yesterday we went out and we came back really late. We came back like past 2. We just ate and me, I went to my room. So I don't know if she forgot or maybe she fell asleep or something happened, but I just I should wash the plate because almost all the plates is inside the dishwasher. So I just say I should wash some so that if we want to eat, there's plate for us to use to eat. And I'm so excited about it that I'm washing plates with my hand. I don't know why. So guys, I'm done washing up the plate, so that is all. I will talk to you guys later. Okay? Hi guys, so I just closed from work, like I just entered my room and I'm so exhausted. The time is currently 2:02. I just wanted to just like sleep, but I want to wash my hair. My hair is screaming, I'm dirty, take me down. But I don't want to lose this hair because this country making of hair is like you want to buy Lamborghini. It's very expensive and I want to carry this hair for 2 months. Next month on the 6th will make it 2 months. I saw it in the mirror today in my madam's room when I was cleaning her room. I was like, This hair dirty oh, very soon now. If it even dey smell. So I want to wash the hair. But anyways, my mother gave me this dress yesterday and I so much love it. Like she bought it new, but it was not her size. So she gave it to me. And I wore it because I wanted something that is free, not putting on trouser every time. And she gave me another one today. Let me open it and show you guys. I'll make sure so that you guys can see before I can go and wash my hair, take my bath, and come and sleep. This is the first gown. This one, she said she have worn it before. Like, she stopped wearing it because the thing was tight for her. But this one, she have not worn it. It's new dress. So, let me show this one. Guys, see the dress. It's so fine. Like, I don't know, but it's so beautiful. I love it. This one, I will be wearing it to go out. But if I'm going out, I have to wear something that will cover up this place because here, no indecent dressing. You will not dress anyhow. And it's long, like very, very long. And I so much love it. It's actually my favorite. Like, guys, see the hair that I'm talking about now. Tell me it's not dirty. This hair is screaming, lose me, I want to go down. But no, making hair is quite expensive here. So let's just carry it for, let me say, few more weeks. Let me go and have my bath.
You had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends.
I made this soup like almost 2 weeks or maybe 2 weeks, egusi soup, and I've just kept it in the fridge. But today I feel like eating swallow. I was just like, okay, let me just warm this soup. I ate it only once, like the day I prepared it. Egusi soup is not really my favorite soup. I like dry okra soup. But that day, my mother just, okay, prepare Nigerian food for yourself. I have egusi. I just, okay, let me make egusi soup. And she gave me meat to use and make the soup. So, since that day that I ate it, I just put it inside the fridge. And today I feel like eating egusi soup. So that is why I brought it out and I'm warming it. Here is my water that I want to use to make my gari eba. Here is my chili stick and the container that I want to make. Here is my gari. I have another garri inside, but this one is the one that is remaining inside this ziploc bag. I'm excited that I'm going to eat swallow. I'm so happy that I have Nigerian ingredients. Nigerian things are so expensive here. My water is ready. This is my dinner. So guys, I'm already inside my room. I just got in not too long ago. I just changed. Now I want to sleep. I said I should end this video before I go to bed. This is past 1. I came in today early. I came in around 1 because I've eaten my dinner like around 11 p.m. So it's not that my madam, they are eating their own dinner, so that is why I came in on time. If not, by now I will still be downstairs with them eating dinner and clearing everywhere. So I will clear everywhere tomorrow. So yeah, that is it. I want to start editing this video today. If I edit maybe 2:30 or 3 o'clock a.m., I will sleep and then finish the remaining editing tomorrow when I'm on my break. So yeah, thank you for watching this vlog to this point. Thank you for the comment that you are going to drop. Thank you for the like. I so much appreciate. I'll talk to you guys in another of my vlog. Okay, for now, bye bye.